For our GenStone project, we chose Desert Stand because we thought that would complement the colors of our deck. What we did not take in effect is the overhang here on the corner. So that's something that I definitely would take in mind when you're planning your project. As you go down, you will see that it blends in really nicely. It goes all the way to the corner. Those are those corner pieces. You couldn't really tell. They worked very nice ordering them. And then all the way down, we had our end pieces. Some installments, I would say, is definitely talk with your contractor or yourself along with the GenStone rep. We did some caulking behind that was suggested. We just need to be careful here washing it. And other than that, the compliments that we've had from our neighbors and friends have been great. They thought it was really stone until they came up to it and they could tell something was, that we did the composite after we told them. Very happy and would definitely use this product again.